Hello there. In this video tutorial, you are going to learn what is Pinterest, what can you do with Pinterest, and is Pinterest even one of those social media sites that you want to jump on? Stay tuned. Hey everyone, it's Audrey with Social Media 4, that's the number 4, beginners.com, where I teach you, the complete newbie or beginner, how to use the different social media sites so that you can stay connected to your family and friends. If this is your first time here and this video does help you, why not consider subscribing to the channel and be sure to hit that little bell icon, because that way you'll be notified every single time I put up one of my free video tutorials on the different social media sites. So without further ado, let's talk Pinterest. So from a non-techie standpoint, this is how I explain what Pinterest is. It's an online platform where you can pin and organize the things that interest you. Get it? Pinterest. And so I thought that this would be a really fun and creative way to kind of give you a visual of the old way of doing Pinterest. I found this treasure trove of my mom's organizational skills right here in this book, okay? Back in the day, my mom had 6 of us kids. She was a stay-at-home mom, and she was an organizing queen, let me tell you. And I found this while going through some old cookbooks the other day, and I thought, oh my gosh, this is Pinterest back in the day. And now today we have Pinterest and on this online platform. So I thought this would be fun just to kind of show you this. Mom, this would be one of the ways that she organized. Here's collector's cookbook inserts. And so if she wanted that, if she wanted, anything from the collector's cookbook inserts, she would be able to quickly come right here. And these are the collector's book inserts that she had. Is that not cool? And then over here, she has money saving monthly menus. And when I flipped over here, look at this. She's got little menus and everything. And as you go through, you can just see, here's money saving recipes that she has. Right here is creative low calorie something or other cooking. There you go. So here's creative low calorie cooking. I hope you guys can see all of this. So anyway, this was Pinterest back in the day. And now today, what we have is we're online all the time. If you're on Facebook and you've seen a recipe come through your news feed, or you've seen something that interests you and you want to get back to it, Pinterest is an amazing place where you can save all of that and then come back and quickly get to what it is that you want to get to. I figured what I'd do is I jump on Pinterest real quick and just show you the basics of it so that you can get a visual of Pinterest online, okay? So here we are on my Pinterest, and it is made up of a bunch of boards, all right, that I created, and these boards are my interests. Think back in the day when we had cork boards. Okay, I remember having a cork board and I would pin, of course it was pictures of the hottest guys, back in the day. But think of this as you have a board for, let's say, a 90-day challenge. I was doing a 90-day challenge, or I have backyard ideas. So it would be like a cork board, and every time I came across a magazine article or something, I would pin it to the backyard ideas. But now it's all online right here. And so let's just click on one of these boards. I've created all of these boards. These are all the boards that I've created. And on each one of these, I have pinned the different things that interest me or that I want it to come back to. And so we'll just take backyard ideas, because this really could be any, for a woman or a male, okay? And this just is not for females. There are a ton, millions of guys that are also on Pinterest pinning away their hot rods and their collectible items and everything. But let's say backyard ideas. I click within this board and it shows me I've got 61 pins that I've pinned, And I have people that follow my board. Now I can make this a secret board, and you're gonna learn all of that in the Pinterest course that I'm putting together, okay? But just real quick, here are some different ideas that I find that I wanna do in my backyard. So let's say that it's about time that I start building my backyard fire pit, okay? And I had this one that I really liked that I had pinned. I've decided on this one. If I click on this, okay, and then I click on it again, it's gonna take me to the website that I found this image on, okay? And then I could go ahead and continue to, build out my fire pit. So basically what it has done for me is allowed me to organize all the things that I have found online in boards onto boards, and I've been able to pin all of that. Now it's a lot of visual. It's all visual. So it's pictures, it's videos, and things that you find. So if you are on a website and you see that it says pin this, you can pin that to one of the boards that you've created. So are you getting all of these light bulbs that are going off and going, oh my gosh, this is the organizational platform that I have been wishing that I had? Well, I know for certain that if my mom was still here with us today, my mom would be on Pinterest and she would be pinning all of these. But I do have to say that this right here is going to remain in the family, and I'm sure one of my daughters will probably get this treasure trove of recipes, and you just can't erase this in your hand. However, in the age of technology, you are able to make it a little bit easier for yourself and have it online and get it easily accessible. I know if my mom was here, knowing her, she would probably pin these and print them and put them in a book like this. But for those of you who don't want to do that, you do have Pinterest, okay? So you know what Pinterest is, you've seen what it can do, and now it's up to you to decide whether you want to join or not. But here's the really cool thing. If you do decide to join, I have plenty of video tutorials and the whole Pinterest course that you can take for free. And you can find that over at socialmedia4, that's the number 4, beginners.com. All right? So until next video, y'all be blessed and hit that thumbs up if this helped you in any way. Talk to you later. Bye.